Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you everything you need to know to make this beautiful knit shawl called the Marissa. This bottom-up construction half-circle shawl is fringed with beautiful crescent motifs and works up quickly with easy lace. This is a spectacularly fun and festive use of color work and lace in a knit shawl. It's one of the 17 join-as-you-go motif projects in my new book, Motif Magic. In the first video, I'll show you how to navigate the pattern. I'll show you all of the stitches you'll need to know and how to read the different components of the pattern. Then in the next video, I'll show you how to make these beautiful motif medallions. You knit each one separately, and you'll also be learning how to do a picot bind off in that video. In the next video, I'll show you how to pick up and knit the end of the motifs to join them into the edging of the shawl and work this beautiful and simple lace stitch pattern from the bottom up. And then in the last video, I'll show you how to block this beautiful shawl in Wrapture All Natural Delicate Wash. Make sure you watch all the videos to learn everything you'll need to know to make this beautiful project. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to watch all the videos in this series to learn how to make this beautiful Marissa knit shawl. All the links you'll need are in the video description below to order Be So Fine yarn or Motif Magic. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please click the thumbs up button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.